Hey everyone, hope everything's going good. Hope you're surviving the coronavirus, keeping good social distance, right? Anyway, uh, I just want to give you a little introduction video, kind of talk about how we're going to make this all work. So before we start, one quick thing is that Chapter 8 test I was going to make you do retakes on, I am now going to let you do corrections. The problem is most of you don't have that test. So if we can do a couple different things. First of all, you can stop by the school. That'd be the easiest. If you stop by the school, I'll let you pick it up and you can just go do corrections. And you can either drop your corrections back off, or you can take a picture of them and send them to me, and I'll go back and regrade those. They are allowing you to come by the school, so if you want to, that's great. They don't want you like hanging out for too long, but if you just have a question or need to pick something up, you can. So that's that Chapter 8 corrections. Along with that, I was going to mention there was one problem on there. It was number 10, I'm showing you right here. It was like about half of us missed it. So I'm going to allow full points on this. On the other problems you missed, you can get half credit. Anyway, if you look at this triangle, what I think a lot of us did is we set up our proportion. We went 2.4 right there to 1.2 was the same as 0.9 to x. The problem is this side is the side of the big triangle, and this side is not the side of the big triangle. So you have to add those two together. It'd be 2.4 to that entire side equals 0.9 to x. Anyway, if you want to fix that, I'll give you full credit on that one. I'll give you half credit for all the other ones. So either you can pick that up. If you're not able to pick it up, let me know and I can send it out to you. The other thing I want to talk to you about is if you're interested in using a book, you can, although everything we're going to do is going to be on big ideas, almost everything. And so I don't know that a book will really be that helpful to you, but if you like having a hard copy book because you want to see the examples, you can come pick one up here and we'll check it out to you. Calculators, everything we do for the next little bit, there's no need for a graphing calculator. It can be all be done with a scientific calculator. So you can either do that on, you can if you have your own, that's great, or you can download a calculator to your phone, or we could check them out. Again, it's just make sure you'll be responsible for it. So just let me know if you're interested in checking out a book and or a calculator. Kind of the way we're going to make this work is I'm going to make a video every day and put it on Canvas, and the video will go through just like we would in class. It'll go through all the examples we would normally cover, and then your assignment will be given to you through Big Ideas. And I like that because that allows you to check your answers, and it has the help videos. It has a live tutor. It has a lot of options that you can work on at home. Let me really quick kind of show you what Canvas looks like just really fast, like my Canvas layout here. So if you look at it, this is the main page when you open it up. This is what we'll use most time. It's Math 2 course content. That's where all the videos are. Here's a link to the books. If you go down here, though, there is a calendar. This is important because I'll post on there what day every assignment is given. So on Wednesday, your first assignment will be 9495. And then on Thursday, we'll answer questions. And on Friday, it will be due. Okay, so you always have those 2 days to work on it. Now, if I come back up here, and if I click on that Math 2 course content, okay, right here, there's 9495. If I click on that, what you'll see is the very first thing is I'll have a video there. They could be anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, and I'll just go through all the examples that we went through. I would suggest having some notes in front of you and taking notes as you go. The nice thing about a video is you can pause it whenever you want if you want to write stuff down, or if you want to work through an example before I do it, you can do that. As you go through your assignment, you can rewind the video and you can look back at it and see all the examples we've done. If you want more examples, these are some that come with our book. So if you just click on these, this goes with example 1 in our book, and if you pull it up, hit play, and it goes through and that whole thing with you there. So we have those at the very bottom. I did put a blank copy of the slideshow, the examples that I did. So if you wanted to print that off, you could and take your own notes. I don't know if any of you would, but that's available. I also have down here, this is one that's worked out. So it has all the examples all worked out from the video. So those are available to you also. The important thing here is making sure that you stay caught up. Okay, be really careful to make sure you're doing the assignment the day that it's given. And then you can ask questions. And the way I want you to ask questions is this: after as you go through your assignment, I want you to write down problems you have a hard time with. And then you can either go into Canvas right here and go to discussions, and I'll post one for questions from 9495, and you can go in there and hit a reply and let me know what questions you have. Or if you want to, you can email them to me. Anyway, I'll take all your questions then. And the next morning, so Thursday morning, I'll take all the questions from 9495 and I'll make a quick little video while I answer questions that you ask. And that gives you time if you want to go back into big ideas and fix any problems or rework any problems, you can. So again, basic model of the class is the day the assignment's given, make sure you watch the video, do the assignment on big ideas, keep track of questions and send your questions to me. The next morning I'll go through questions and then I'll have the next video available for the next day. Stay caught up. There's going to be dates there's due dates. If you notice, the first review was Friday, the review for the Chapter 9 test, and the first test will be on Monday. And you need to take it within a lot of time. So I'll kind of keep in touch with you and keep you updated, but that's kind of like the idea there. Make sure that you keep in touch with me also, okay? And I can, if you have questions or concerns. Again, the key thing here, I think, is I'll be flexible and patient, and I hope you guys can too. Be flexible and patient, and make sure you are good communicators. Let me know if you have questions or concerns or things I could do different or things I could do to help. Anyway, I'll again contact me if you need that, but we'll get started tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.